You need a wallet. You do what everyone does. You Google it.
The first result looks perfect, but look closely. It says sponsored. It's an ad bought by hackers.
You just gave your keys to a fake site. 90% of hacks happen because you clicked the wrong link. Hackers use trick letters. Binance.com looks real, but that I is actually a special character. Then there are the DMs. Hello, I am support. Please validate your wallet. Real support will never DM you first. Real support will never ask for your seed phrase. The bookmark rule. Find the official link once. Use their verified Twitter or CoinGecko page. Bookmark it immediately. Put it in a safe folder.
Never search for money. Use your map. Navigate safely with TradingMaster.